Go ahead, cuz. Do what you gonna do.
Baby. I'm gonna call you right back.
Number bitches, yeah. Number bitches.
I don't do niggas.
Y'all got 3 on the way now.
Yeah, man.
We got 3, got 4 on the way.
You already know
Y'all
what
got
it
4?
is, man.
Yeah, we got 4.
That what's up then. Y'all can match me. Y'all beat me then.
You already know what it is, my
Y'all
nigga.
beat me. I had 3.
You got 3 on the way?
I had 3. Y'all got 4. Y'all beat me.
Bigger thing, bigger life, my nigga. You know that's what we doing, man. BRECT representative.
CTE.
You already know what it is,
y'all
man.
niggas.
Out here doing a real nigga, man. Real player like. Real player like out here, my nigga. Real player like out here, my nigga. Don't get it fucked up, nigga.
Look, you gonna come fuck me on my weekend, man.
You see me? You see us out here, nigga? Out here, where we at, Australia? Where we at, huh?
Yeah, we cross seas.
Cross seas, nigga. That's what we
Doing
doing,
big
nigga. Big
shit.
shit,
Looking
nigga.
at
You see this shit, nigga? You
Yeah.
niggas couldn't, you niggas couldn't live a day in my life, man. A day in my footstep, nigga. We do this shit, nigga. Getting money, nigga. Got my Australian airs on, nigga. You see that shit, nigga? Flexing on you fuck niggas, nigga. BRECT, nigga.
Flexing on them niggas.
Don't get it fucked up, nigga.
Yeah, so yeah.
Blood Raw Entertainment, nigga. Corporate thugging, nigga.
Mike who?
Mike motherfucking Fresh, Mr. Everything, nigga.
Mr. Motherfucking everything.
Mr. Everything, nigga. Mr. Tallahassee, Mr. 850, nigga. I don't know nothing else, nigga. 229 representative, nigga. Jill, get that.